Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript daily coding challenge. The challenge for today's video is converting binary number to its equivalent decimal. Okay, given a string representing a binary number, return its decimal equivalent as a number. Okay, the general calculation to convert any binary number to its equivalent decimal number is this one. To convert any binary to decimal, we should multiply each digit by a power of 2 and add them together. We should start by multiplying the rightmost digit by 2 power 0, the next digit to the left by 2 power 1, and so on. Once all digits have been multiplied by a power of 2, add the result together. Okay, this is the general calculation to convert any binary number to its equivalent decimal number. Okay, now in this video, we are going to use single line of code to convert any binary number to its equivalent decimal number. We are not following this normal calculation process. Okay, we are using a built-in method from JavaScript to convert binary to its equivalent decimal number. Let me show you that single line of code. Okay, that is, use parseInt and then pass the binary number and then specify its base, that is binary number base is 2. Okay, that's it. This single line of code will convert any binary number to its equivalent decimal number. Here the magic is the second argument which we are passing to parseInt method, which tells the base of the given number to convert into decimal number. Okay, now let me run our solution and then see whether it successfully works or not. Okay, see, all of our test case passed with a single line of code which converts any binary number to its equivalent decimal number. That's it about the today's challenge. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos to improve your interview skills. Okay, thanks for watching.